Hello guys, Banks here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to promote Clickbank products without website. So this is going to be step-by-step tutorial guys, so make sure to watch this video till end. So what are you going to learn in today's video? So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how to find the right product. Next thing, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a landing page for your products and also how to get traffic to that landing page so you can earn sales. Also, with this method, you're going to earn from 5 times to 7 times more. So these are my results when I have done this. My affiliate sales got really boosted from 5 to 7 times more because I have optimized my sales to get more from my traffic. So I'm going to explain you guys everything in today's video. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure to watch this video till end. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel guys, make sure to press the subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's jump straight into this video guys. Clickbank is one of the biggest retailers of digital products. So you can actually sell these digital products as affiliate, and for each sale that you get, you're going to get from 75% commission up to 90% commission. So it really depends on the product that you are promoting. So if you don't have a Clickbank account, just go on clickbank.com and click on create account. So you can actually create Clickbank account in less than few minutes. So just enter here your personal information, where you live, your mobile number. After you're done with that, click on next step. And you're going to enter banking information. After you enter your banking information, you're going to get a special Clickbank ID. So with that ID, when you promote Clickbank products, you're going to earn sales. So make sure to remember that Clickbank ID. That is really important guys, because if you forget that Clickbank ID, you're not going to get sales with your affiliate links. So when you're done with creating Clickbank account guys, now it's time to talk about which products you're going to promote. So with this method, we're not going to promote only one product. The reason why we're not going to promote one product is when you promote, I'm going to draw what is going to happen. So let's say we are promoting only one product, and on this one product, we send our viewers. Let's do it like this. So let's say we have a Clickbank product and we send our viewers, these are our viewers, and we send them to a Clickbank product. So we send, let's say, 100 people. So from that 100 people, only 1% of cold traffic is going to convert. So what this actually means, from 100 people that you send to your Clickbank product, only one guy is going to purchase the product. So that is actually normal conversion rate, and almost anyone can get 1% conversion rate if you're sending targeted traffic. That is nothing extraordinary. It is really easy to get 1% conversion rate. But what are we going to do is we're going to send our viewers to a landing page with different products. So why are we going to do this? So let's say we have one product, two products, three products, four products. So let's say we have 6 different Clickbank products. So why are we doing this? Why we want to have more products? So let's say from 100 viewers that we send to our Clickbank landing page, we're going to get from 5 to 7% conversion rate. So for every 100 people, you're going to get from 5 to 7 conversion rate. So you're not exactly going to get same numbers as me. This is just me sharing my experience, but I usually get around 5%, 7% on some of the landing pages, not all, I must say that, but usually I get around 5% conversion rate. So that means for every 100 people that you send to this landing page, you're going to get 5 sales. So the different one on the beginning, you're going to get 1 sale because you're promoting just one Clickbank product. But the reason why we're going to get much higher conversion rate on the landing page with, let's say, 3 or 4 or 5 different Clickbank products is because we're trying to give our audience to choose which product they're actually looking for. So if you're just providing them with one product, maybe some of the your viewers are not going to be interested in that particular product. They want some other product. That is why you're going to have a landing page with few different options. So what are we going to do is I'm going to show you guys for example, for the channel that you're watching right now. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I would do if I was selling Clickbank products on a YouTube channel that you're watching right now. So let's go with, for example, marketing products. Let's click on affiliate marketplace. And here you can see, just to be clear, you can do this method with whatever niche you want to. I'm showing you this category. The reason why is I want to show you guys exactly how this should work. So this is just an example. You can do with, for example, if you want to, with games or health and fitness or self-help or politics. You can do whatever you want to. So this is just an example. We're going to go with marketing. So let's say we have this product right here, make money from YouTube without filming. So for each sale, on average, you're going to get $40. So here are different products that actually you can choose to promote, to make money online. So you can see paid social media jobs. So basically, if someone is interested in social media, they can learn that. They can also learn about affiliate marketing if they're interested in affiliate marketing, or some apps that they can get paid to do some testing apps. They can also learn how to do that. So there are different courses on how to make money online. So you don't want just to push one product. As I said, if you choose just one product, for example, affiliate marketing, someone is not going to be interested in affiliate marketing. They want to learn about how to make money doing, for example, testing apps on a phone or social media jobs or something like that. So you can't combine that all in one product. So that is why we're going to do this method with a landing page with different offers. So this is going to be free, guys, so you don't need to worry about creating this landing page for some money. I'm going to show you guys the free version. There is also a paid version, but you don't need to pay for anything for this method. So if you want to, guys, if you really enjoy this video, if you want to help me, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to press that like button, because that really helps also the video, and also it helps me to provide you guys with this content. So make sure to press that like button. We're going to choose, for example, let's do how to get paid to do surveys. So on average per sale for this product, you're going to get $74. So that is a lot of money just from one sale. So for example, for this product right here, make money on YouTube, you're going to get $40. So there are going to be different prices for different products, but here you can see you can almost feel the need for anything on how to make money online, how to make money with surveys, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money with affiliate marketing. So there is also how to get paid to test apps. So let's get all of these affiliate links. So let's click on promote, and here you want to enter your Clickbank ID that you have created when you created your Clickbank account. So let's click on generate hop link. So this is your unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on this affiliate link, you're going to earn a commission for this product. So you're going to make $74 if someone purchases the product. So let's say right here, so the app that I'm actually using is called Linktree. So basically just to go on Google and type in Linktree, and when you create your free Linktree account, you're going to see a page like this. So to actually see some lifetime views on how many you got on your Linktree account, you need to get paid version, but we actually don't need paid version. We are going to use this free one. The reason why is we have all the analytics on Clickbank, so basically we don't need to see how many people was on our landing page. So what are we going to do is we're going to paste here our affiliate link, and we're going to, so what is that product about? Get paid survey job. Let's say make money online doing surveys. So that is our first product. So here you can see on mobile account, this is how our landing pages look alike. So I'm going to show you guys also how our landing page looks like in desktop. So the next thing is we're going to go with how to make money on YouTube. So let's get a hop link for that also. So here you can see you're going to earn $40 for each sale of this product. So let's do a new button, make money on YouTube. So this is our next option. Our third option is going to be how to make money with apps. Let's paste our affiliate link right here, make money online testing apps. Our fourth product is going to be affiliate marketing. So we're going to get for each sale $61 for each sale of this product. So it is going to be different sales. So you're going to get different amounts of money for each of these products, but it doesn't matter because these are different prices for this product. So let's say affiliate marketing. Let's put in front make money with affiliate marketing. So we have now 4 different offers, and you can actually put 6. You can go with social media and more, but we're not going to do that. We are going to leave it with only 3 options. So where is your traffic going to come from? So we're going to get all of this traffic to this landing page, and it is really easy, guys. You can do it with YouTube. So there are a few different ways, and I'm doing this method because you're watching this channel right now on how to make money online on a YouTube. So basically this YouTube channel that you're watching right now, you can actually promote, for example, this landing page. So if I wanted to, I can put the link. So here you can see this is our link for our landing page, and here you can see here is our name. We can put our picture right here, and when someone clicks on this option, or let's say make money with affiliate marketing, you're going to send them directly to affiliate link for the product that you're trying to promote. So let's say if you click on make money online testing apps, you're going to send them to affiliate link for that other product. So there are different products that you can actually promote, and this is really an amazing way to do it. Also, it is optimized for mobile version. So here you can see how it is going to look like on mobile. So that is also amazing because I think 40% of my traffic on my YouTube channel comes from mobile phones. So that is really important because you want to optimize your landing page also for the traffic on mobile users. So that is really important, guys. So we can actually use this link right here of our landing page, and let's say when I upload the video, let's say how to make money online, and this video gets 4,000 views. So if I uploaded the video on how to make money online and I provided this, let's say 4 different offers, I would get a much higher conversion rate than if I just uploaded a video about how to make money online and I uploaded just about affiliate marketing. So this is really important, guys, because there are tons and tons of different methods that you can actually get traffic to this landing page. And I'm just using YouTube for now because you're watching, as I said, my YouTube channel right now. But imagine if I posted my landing page for how to make money online right here in description. So a lot of people would actually click on that link and they would choose the offer that they are searching for, how to make money online, because when someone is searching how to make money on YouTube, they actually don't know anything about making money on YouTube. So if you provide them the right course for that, they would basically buy the course and you would make money that way. So guys, imagine, as I said, 250,000 people watched the video. Imagine if only 50% of the people actually clicked on my landing page, so that would be almost 125,000 people. And imagine if I've got let's not say 5% conversion rate, let's say just 1%. So if I've got just 1%, and I'm going to lowball it because, as I said, I get around 5%, but let's say only 1% actually bought the course, I would make a lot of money just from this video alone. So that is the way how you can actually get money with Clickbank, or how you can get much higher conversion rates. And not a lot of people are doing this method because I don't know why. The reason is, maybe I actually don't do this method because I have my own products. I sometimes promote affiliate products, but not really that really that usually. I think just one in my 50 videos I promote affiliate offer, not that usual. But you can actually promote your landing page with YouTube. You can actually post videos on YouTube, get traffic there, and send them to your landing page where you're going to sell them products. So guys, if you want to see more videos like this, again, as I said, make sure to press that like button. And also, if you want to help the channel, if you want to support the channel, if you want to support me for making these free videos with free content on how to make money online, make sure to press that subscribe button and press that like button, because that really helps me and the channel to make these kind of videos, guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon, and